all of our wires just about put in. The new panel box. We're back inside now to work on our electric. Well, good morning, everyone. We're gonna get back on the airport house. You may know it as my $6,000 brick home, and we're going to get started on doing the electrical work today. We got the boxes, or most of them, installed last week, and today we're going to be working on getting all of our wires drilled, getting our circuits figured out. And in case you missed it, I talked to my electrician, and they've got so much work right now that literally they can't keep up. I can either wire it myself, or I can wait 2 to 3 months for them to be able to get to it, which is totally insane considering the price of materials. You would think that construction would have slowed down, but alas, it has not. But enough about my troubles with getting an electrician. Because I'm competent, I mean, I can do the work. Just sometimes you want to speed things up a little bit, and well, unfortunately, this was not going to be a speeding up process. It was going to significantly slow it down. So we're off to do electrical work, and well, let's get started. We're back inside now to work on our electric, and we've got, like I said before, we've got all of our boxes installed, and we're getting ready to start running our wires. We're going to have to go around and drill all of our holes, and let's see if I can actually show you what we're going to do. Here's our outlet. What we're going to do is we're going to come up about 2 foot, and we're going to drill holes. It's going to go through all these studs, and once we get all that done, we'll start pulling some wires, figure out where everything's going to come from, how everything's going to tie together. And this is the important thing about having an electrician, because they do it every day. They understand how to do these things. Me, I got to give it some serious thought. We'll get all these wires ran, then we'll come back and we'll start stapling them off. All right, I think we got the kitchen and dining room done, except for the lights. Alright, we're getting ready to put the panel box in. Well, it's weird. You get here and it's like, wow, it works, it works. Alright, so maybe you can see me, maybe not. So we're getting ready to put the panel box in, and I've never used this kind of box before, so, but I was fortunate because it was the only one they had. I don't know if that's being fortunate or being unfortunate, but we'll see. I hope it works. Well, we got all of our wires just about put in. Everything's installed and nailed off. And see, we had to staple these off within 12 inches of the box and every 48 inches. And just like in my other homes, we've got smoke detectors everywhere, and we're connecting them with the 12-3. It's going between, that runs back to the other smoke detector, runs down through here, picks up here, and then runs up through the attic. You can see it sort of there. Comes back, picks up this one, and runs back to the bedrooms. Like I said, we've got all the wires just about in. We've still got to run one from this back bedroom here. Probably going to run it from that outlet right there back to the panel box. So we get this circuit for this bedroom. It will be completed. We have our bathroom GFIs. The bathroom GFIs are required to be on their own breaker, separate from any other outlets. So we've got those ran. It runs back to the master bath, and then from the master bath goes to the panel box. And I don't have my plates on yet, but we're gonna get our plates put on. You can see we have there's our kitchen countertop outlets there and there. This outlet here comes around, feeds to that outlet, comes around and feeds to this outlet. That's going to be on one circuit in the kitchen. And then this one, and the outlet down there is going to be the other circuit in the kitchen. You're required to break them up into 2 circuits. Our dining room circuit is just going to be there. It's going to be a 3-way switch both for the laundry room and for the dining room light. We don't have those wires ran yet. And then of course our circuit for our living room. And we've got to fish the wires in to the front porch. But that'll be the next time I've ran out of wire. And finally, a new panel box. I've also got the new meter can box with the disconnect, but it's not installed. I'll get that installed next time. Well, such is the end of another day. We managed to get most of the wiring done. We still have a lot of the 220 wire yet that needs to be run. All the stuff is nailed off. What else? I'm hot. It's 94 degrees. 5 o'clock, 5:30 on a Saturday. There's a song in there somewhere, but I'm not going to sing it. We wouldn't want YouTube to get upset that they think maybe that I'm trying to copyright violation or something. But anyway, all the electrical that we did almost, well, 750 feet, nope, more than that, almost 1,000 feet of wire. And I still have to go get some more wire. But it's coming along, and we got, I would say, we're probably at 85% on the wiring. We'll get the panel box finished, set up, and everything will be connected in that probably in a week. See, tomorrow is Father's Day. Give you any kind of indication about what day it was we did the work. So no work tomorrow. I've got to do Father's Day duty tomorrow. Imagine that. Then next week, see here. Then I work my full-time job Monday through Friday. Next Saturday, Nick, my son Nick, you may have remember him from some earlier videos. He is going to be looking at a house where he lives, and he has asked me to come and do a walkthrough with him to figure out if it's going to be worth what they're asking, and to come up with a game plan. So we're going to do that, and we're going to make sure that it's going to be something that's feasible to do. And on a positive note, if he does that, then that's another project. We're going to record that, and we're going to let everybody see the process of doing that project. So who knows? I've got 2 other projects besides the one I'm working on right now. I'm covered up with projects, but eventually we'll get them all done, or maybe not. But electrical is almost done, and next week we'll be finishing it up and moving on to something else. I don't know what yet. Plumbing, maybe. Maybe siding. Let me know what you think. Plumbing, siding, insulation. Still got to set a tub. Still got to insulate everything. Still got to do all my plumbing throughout. I got to actually do plumbing throughout before I can do my insulation. I've got to fix the drain going to the kitchen. So that's going to be probably a half a day in itself. So let me know what you think. Let me know what I should. You let me know what I should work on next, what you're interested in seeing. And if you have any specifics that you want to see, maybe a little more in depth, let me know. Put it in the comments. Most of the time I just put up a camera and just record as I'm going, and I'll stop and make a few comments along the way. But if I don't know what you want to see, kind of tough. So leave a comment below if you like the video. Share it or not. Subscribe if you desire. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, and you can come and watch them or not. I'm easy to get along with. I'm just doing this because I love doing it. And with that, we're going to call it a day. I've been rambling too long. We'll see you next time.